Welcome to the Peacock Homestead. I just wanted to show you today how I give my cats a little haircut, and that's how I save money as well. I learned how to do this in 2009, and I've actually was doing it way before that because I've always had cats and dogs. But I wouldn't suggest doing it to a mean cat. They'll really give you a run for your money. But the service is pretty nice, and I noticed that he was getting all kinds of mats on him, and that's really uncomfortable. So I usually brush him out a little bit, and then I get my clippers out, and I give him a whole body shave. I don't touch any of their whiskers or anything because that is a defense mechanism for cats, so they don't go into a small space. It's like a measurement for them to figure out if they'll fit in it or not. Their whiskers are very helpful. So I leave his face hairs and all his whiskers on there, and I just go about shaving his body all the way to his butt, and I shave his little booty. And towards the end, he was getting upset with me because I know I was fiddling with him for way too long, but he needed my help, so I figured that I would just give him a little haircut today. And I hope this inspires you to try to give your animals that have long hair and that are uncomfortable a little trim. And never to use scissors on mats because you'll cut their skin, so that's very dangerous. I have special clippers that have a guard on it. But I've been doing it for so long, I could take the guard off and just make sure they don't move too fast because they'll have a bald spot. But other than that, it really helps to do things like this on your own because it saves you money and it helps your babies be more comfortable. And I hope this inspires you, and I hope you have a blessed day.